About to take off towards the McKenzie River out east. The goal is to find snow. Alright, I'm on my way. Here we go. I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro now. We're here at the low covered bridge. Let's go check it out. I'll show you some footage of the lake now. Finally found snow. Just arrived at the Hardesty trailhead. I decided to pull off here as like the end point. The little lake over here and the train tracks over here. But before that, it's kind of cold, so I'm gonna put on a jacket. This place looks so epic. I'm gonna try to go down here. Look at the little river down here. So epic. Okay, I just found this really cool hiking stick on the ground. I'm gonna test it out. Okay, this place is truly amazing. There's so much beauty right here. It's almost like a fantasy world, and it's all mine. Okay, so I just took a nasty spill. Just slipped on the mud, but thankfully we're by this river so I can clean up real good here. Oh wow, okay. So I took that nasty spill, but the camera's still in one piece, so we're good. Let's voyage on. As you can see, the tunnel's right behind me now. Let's go explore. So now that I've made it on the top of the arch, the plan is to walk down. Wait, what's the plan again? Oh, okay, the plan is to set the camera on this rock down here and then get an epic footage of me standing on top of the ark.